Good morning, it's Helena. I'm just going to share a great little craft haul I got from our local op shop here yesterday. Um, let's go. I got this fabulous, I guess it's a table runner. It's made of beautiful linen and it's got uh, like a little scallopy edge on it at $1.50. Got two gorgeous table placemats, maybe smaller placemats, I guess you could call them. $1. They got beautiful little embroidery on them. Found these. I thought they were pretty cool for doing my journals, opening them up while I'm doing some stitching or binding, etc. 50 cents each. Brand new paints, haven't been opened. 50 cents, white and black, always handy to have in the stash. I think I'll just about run out of my white, so that was good timing. Sorry about the glare. Then I got this pack of materials. It was $4, and I'm thinking it's like a patchwork or something, like a patchwork or quilting or something. They're quite big, or they could even be cushion style. Cushion squares, maybe. That's sort of the size of them. So there's in this pack. I thought that'd be pretty in a. I don't know. I'm not a sewer, so I don't have a big stash of material, and I'm not really florally, but I've got a project in mind that I need to do some florals with. So this is what was on the top of the packet, and it appealed to me. It was $4. So when I opened up the packet, there's a few other things, and I'm thinking, well, I could do something for Christmas, because these are kind of like snowflakes. They're pink on a grey background. I know TaylorMade Journals has got some beautiful little elves or pixies, and I think they might be in a pink, so I might do something with that close to Christmas. This is a little bit retro looking. This is very delicate and pretty. Another delicate and pretty, and that's a bit different as well. I think I've got something in mind for this. We'll have to see. May not happen in the immediate future, but it will happen at some stage. So yes, there's 6 different types of materials in there, and I thought they were pretty cool. $4. Oh, and there was a little wee cute little thing in there. I got some photographic paper. It's very shiny, but it's a used pack, but that was only $2. Then I hit the jackpot with this old vintage map. It's a nautical map of one of our harbours. You can see all the staining on the paper. It's just, wow, I couldn't believe it, and it was $1. It'll be A1 size, so it's a massive big poster. I won't even bother opening it up, but yeah, as you can see, it's pretty spectacular. So I'll have to have a good think about that. And then my final one was this massive big Reader's Digest Atlas. I remember as a kid having these in our home library, along with our, I think it was Collier Encyclopedia set or something like that, which, you know, you ask Mum and Mum would go and look it up. Remember that? Go and look it up. You've already asked me that before, so I think that's how we learnt, wasn't it? So $4, and there's a few pages. Oh, when I opened it, there was also on this amazing paper, like a world map thing here as well. The paper's fantastic. I'm not sure where I'll use that, but the colours are okay. Bit of gesso on it. Same as in here, but it's got these beautiful section pages in here, and I was like, $4. I think there's 4 or 5 section pages, $1 each. That's me, even if that's all I use. But it's a big book as well. A3 size, I'd say. Here we are. That's where I am. That's where I live in New Zealand, right up here. bit of gesso on that and knock it back. But again, these book plates that are in here are just fantastic. Sorry for the wobbling. But even the index, how cool is that? I'll be able to use that, definitely. 3, look at that. So I couldn't pass that up. It's kind of a matte paper. Some of the pages are a bit shiny, but it's generally matte. So yeah, what do you use on your to make things not so glossy? Do you sand it? Do you put a product over it? Anyway, that great little haul was 16 New Zealand dollars. And it also went to a great cause because it was our local thrift shop, or what we call them here in New Zealand, an op shop. So have a great weekend. I've got a project I'm going to be working on, and I'm not sure if I'll get it finished or not, but I'll give it a good go. Catch you later.